Hello, kids.
Hello, sir.
Hello, kids.
Hello, sir.
So today we want to know who is smart among you. We want to draw a square with 3 lines. How many sides has a square?
4 sides.
So the smart person will draw a square with 3 lines. Draw a square with 3 lines. So let us see who is smart among you. Let's see on the board now. Draw a square with 3
lines.
Draw a square with 3 lines. All right. That is not a square. Wrong. Go to the back. Draw a square with 3 lines. Not a square. Wrong. Draw a square with 3 lines. Let us see you. Okay. Wrong. Not a square. Draw a square with 3 lines. Draw a square with 3 lines. Okay. That's a cup, not a square. Draw a square with 3 lines. Okay. That is a square, but not 3 lines. All right. You want to draw a square with 3 lines. All right. Not a square. Draw a square with 3 lines. Okay. That is not a square. Draw a square with 3 lines. All right. Draw a square with 3 lines. We have not seen who is smart here. That will draw a square with 3 lines. Okay. Draw a square with 3 dots. That is not line. We are looking for the smart one. Draw a square with 3 lines. Okay, that's wrong. All right, kids. So we have seen that everybody has tried, but they have not drawn a square with 3 lines. So what we are going to do now is that we are going to sing a rhyme for me. Sing a rhyme, okay? Oya, tell me your rhyme.
One day, as I was going, I heard a boy and a girl.
That's okay. Next person, sing your rhyme.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
All right. Yeah, sing your rhyme. Sing your rhyme. Okay. Are you shy? Sing your rhyme.
Elephant, elephant, coming to this world. No.
That's okay. Sing your rhyme. That's okay. Until another day, we say bye bye.